Hello, golf enthusiasts. Welcome back to your number one golfing channel on YouTube. Today, we're going to explore how to tune your Icon golf cart for optimal performance. Whether you're facing battery issues, brake problems, or just looking for that extra bit of speed, we've got you covered. Many golf cart enthusiasts face a range of issues with their vehicles, from stubborn braking problems to those infamous electrical gremlins. Fear not. We're here with solutions to tackle these problems head-on. For instance, regular maintenance of the battery, such as checking water levels and ensuring cables are securely connected, is crucial. If you're dealing with braking issues, a simple adjustment of the brake cables and ensuring they're lubricated can make a world of difference. However, before we proceed, if you are new here, please subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. First off, battery maintenance and tuning. Battery care is paramount for your Icon golf cart. A routine of charging and discharging, especially during the initial cycles, is essential to bring the batteries to their full potential. Remember, never let the battery pack drop below 50% of its capacity, and recharge it every 2 weeks if the cart is sitting idle. Dealing with electrical issues. Electrical issues can be a headache, but with a bit of DIY spirit, you can diagnose and fix problems like flickering headlights or a malfunctioning horn. Often, it's a matter of inspecting wiring for loose connections or using a multimeter to pinpoint faulty components. Speed and software adjustments. Looking to tweak your golf cart's speed? While specific tuning methods may vary, understanding your cart's programming and how it interacts with the motor and batteries is key. This might involve using specialized software or hardware provided by Icon or compatible third-party vendors. Mechanical adjustments. Mechanical issues, such as alignment or suspension problems, can often be addressed with some know-how and the right tools. For instance, realigning your wheels or replacing worn-out shocks can significantly improve your golf cart's handling. Cost considerations and upgrades. Considering an upgrade? Brand new Icon golf carts can range significantly in price, depending on the model and specifications. If you're pondering a battery upgrade, for example, weighing the pros and cons of AGM versus lithium batteries is crucial. Each has its benefits, such as faster charging times for AGM batteries or the longevity and performance of lithium options. Final thoughts. While Icon golf carts are known for their reliability and performance, regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential. By understanding the common issues and how to address them, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable golfing experience. Thank you for watching. For more detailed guides and troubleshooting tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep your golf cart running smoothly.